Lucas here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is 29th of July 2021 and I will be talking about TNT, which it stands for Tesserent Limited, which is one of tech companies that we've been trading recently. We trade all over last year multiple times, and obviously we expected great results and just came as we expected. So now we are cutting about 34% profit, and the question is, should we still hold this stock or should we take up profit and move forward to another stock? So let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies, BG Trading and BGS 20 strategies, to know when we should buy and when we should sell stocks, how we use the indicators to set up targets, to avoid FOMO, to lock in profits, and much more. This is all here for free in this channel. So I don't hide the information. This is all shared with you. This is not a financial advice, once again. It's just the way we trade. Now, that's TNT. Just before, sorry, I just want to have one more thing. We have buy, growth, sell strategy for share traders Facebook group available for you to enter. In this group, I will be sharing with you all our analysis, a lot of great quality conversation between traders. And it's not a cheap chatting. Everything that comes in this group, we want people to back up. Why are they putting this opinion on there? If they don't back up with some facts, so we delete all the messages. No rocket emojis on this group. Anyway, so now back to TNT. So this is what happened today. Obviously, we're 14% up in just one day. So obviously we're holding this stock together with our VIP members. Okay, this is another thing that might interest you. Just jump to bgtrading.com.au for VIP membership program. So then you will know which stocks we are buying and selling and how we are applying in each circumstances our strategy. Start making money right now. Anyway, back to the stock. Tesserent, another great result. We had a little brief announcement a month ago, which the company said that it was going to easily overperform its forecasted revenue, and didn't happen otherwise. This is what we had today. And then, as expected, the share price jumped about 14% in just one day. Look at this. This is a no-brainer when you're sitting in a good quality stock, and that's how we trade as well. We avoiding speculative stocks most of the time, and we trade with companies that are actually growing in any way. It's growing and then increasing it, not just its EBITDA, but also its revenue. And if it's other type of companies, we're looking for drastically increasing increment on the number of subscribers and all these sort of facts, the variables that will make the share price goes up. Exactly what we want to do, because we're not here to lose money. We're here to make money by applying BG Trading BGS 20 strategies. Now, as you can see here, there was a massive jump, and obviously that reflects on the share price. The question now is, this is the turnover. Look at this. Obviously, Tesserent is a company that is growing by acquisition strategy. Okay, but one important thing is, a lot of acquisition strategy is a very effective way to growth if the management is able to deliver a successful acquisition throughout its new businesses, and then obviously make a what we call vertical integration of businesses that will encompasses a much larger market share. Now, this is exactly what's happening with this company, and that's why the share price jumped 14% once again. Now, the question is, should we sell, should we lock in profits, or should we just hold the stock? Now I'm going to share with you what we are going to do with this stock. Let's have a look first. What is the share price formation of this? Okay, so 14%. So this is obviously we are 34% up on this. I'm gonna actually close that because I shouldn't have shared this. Um, there you go. Anyway, so we're about 34% up on this on this trade, and now one of the reasons we are still holding this stock, and now it comes back to this conversation comes back to whether we should be applying BGS 20 strategy or BG trading strategy. Okay, so what are we seeing here was a very strong resistance around 30 cents level. Okay, and what I saw today was a broke out of this resistance, which means it's very likely, and again, there's no guarantees in the market, but it's very likely that the share price will now go all the way to 40 cents within, probably will take a month. Okay, and then we have a massive volume here on the upside. This is one of the green ticks of our strategy. Okay, and then we have this massive candle, green candle on the Hekenachi as well. But mostly importantly, one of the what our BG trading strategy says is when the stock is trading above the yellow line, above the EMA, you just simply keep holding the stock until it actually gives us a what we call bearish intersection level 2, which happens was strong, almost happening right here. The confirmation didn't happen, so it failed to do a what we call bearish intersection, because what we want to do is we want to have a red candle here. There would be a confirmation of bearish intersection level 2. But because we have this massive green candle, and by the way, don't get surprised if tomorrow the stock falls a little bit around 30 cents level. That's normal when a lot of people will be taking profits, but we are not going to be taking profits. We're going to keep holding this stock, and we're going to actually switch now from BGS 20 strategy to BG trading strategy. Okay, and then once again, BG trading strategy says keep holding the stock as long as the candles keep trading above the yellow line. I believe now the next target is 40 cents. Okay, whether they're going to go above 40 cents, it's very likely, but we'll be pretty happy about cutting, actually locking profits around 40 cents, which will give us almost 80% profit in this trade. And that's what we're going to do. So now, would we buy the stock now? Not. We won't buy the stock. If you miss the boat, you just miss the boat. And learn something very important here. What I want you to learn is the fact that if you buy now, you are buying the stock at the FOMO area, which is currently trading 30% above the SMA. You don't buy a stock when it's trading above the SMA, over 10% above the SMA, because that calls FOMO. That's what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. We just buying the stock there, it's already run too much, okay? Even though we believe the stock is going to keep running, our strategy is clear to say that you missed the boat. You should not buy again. And again, this is not a financial advice. It's just according to our strategy. Okay, and that's what our VIP members do. They follow our strategy. They enter cheaply around this. That's what we entered. We entered around here, and we made so much profit out of that. Because look, the money is made not just when the stock rises, but actually when we buy cheaply. You make money when you buy the stock cheaply. Remember that. Okay. So you don't have to wait the stock to fall to actually go up too much. Anyway, so bottom line is the stock's bullish at the moment, bullish side of the SMA, and I believe it could potentially go to 40 cents. Okay, this is again is a prediction that I'm just using based on the support and resistance strategy, because normally what happens is it reflects what it's been done in the before this broke out, and then will be reflecting a upwards, which will give us about 40 cents exit line. So now, if you're aiming to cut up to lock in profit at 40 cents, I would strongly suggest to lock in, to put a sell order around 39.5 cents, because that 40 cents could potentially not reach so quickly. And that also you got to be mindful that a retracement is very likely to happen, potentially hits 40 cents and go back around 35 or even 30 cents before actually breaking out the 40 cents support line, which is going to be our next support line. Now, this is our TNT analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, just want to invite you to put all the comments at the description below. If you don't agree with what I'm saying, or you don't agree with our strategy, please put the comments below. Any questions you have, I'll be very delighted to answer that to you. Guys, thank you very much. And tomorrow I'll be posting a video about A2 milk and bulbs, whether this is the perfect time to buy or not. So stay tuned in the channel and into our Facebook group as well, and learn as much as you can and stop making silly mistakes. Guys, this is Les. Thank you very much. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.